Hello students, today we will discuss comparison of adjectives for class 8. Now, before I start discussing the degrees of comparison, just look at this picture. Krishna is an old man. Jayesh is older than Krishna. Harish is the oldest of the three. Now, students, when we use these degrees of comparison, when we compare the quality of objects, people or places, we use adjectives of different degrees as shown below. So here Krishna is an old man. It is in positive degree to show the existence of a quality, and this word old is an adjective and it is the original form of adjective. Next comes Jayesh is older than Krishna. So here a higher degree of quality. So here we are comparing Jayesh and Krishna, and Jayesh is older. So it is in comparative form. Next, Harish is the oldest. So oldest, it is the superlative degree, the highest degree of quality. Understood, students? Students, I know that you have already studied this chapter in your previous classes, but then also with some tricks, some more examples, some easy techniques and rules, I shall discuss this once again. Now, when we use positive degree, means no comparison is made. When we use comparative degree, then comparison is made between two, means positive and comparative. When we are using, then comparison is made between two persons, places or things. Superlative degree is used when more than two things are compared. Okay, so Harish is the oldest of the three when we are comparing these three people. Now I shall discuss it in an elaborate way. Please listen very carefully, and whatever I will ask you to write down, please sit with your notebook and write it properly. Students, we will study the degrees of comparison under three headings: type 1, type 2 and type 3. Please note down. Type 1, when comparison is made between two nouns, two subjects. Okay, when comparison of two things is done, it requires comparative degree, only positive and comparative. You can see here structures written. Only for type 1, only we need positive and comparative degree. So see some of the points. One of the degrees will be in negative sentence. So not will be there. Then third point, interchange of the nouns, means subjects have to change their places. Next, positive and comparative degree forms will be present when we are changing it into positive degree. So the base form of adjective should be there. When we are changing or transforming positive into comparative degree, then comparative form of adjective must be there. Now see the structure. See, this structure you have to note down. You have to understand it. You have to remember it thoroughly through practice only. So for positive, subject, verb, not, so or as plus adjective plus as. This is the rule, but without example you won't understand. So I am just discussing here one example. Rohan is taller than Sohan. So subject is there, and when you see taller, that is it is in comparative form. So now we have to change it into positive form. Now you can see in type 1, when two subjects are there, only two, that means we have to change in type 1 form. Rohan and Sohan, two subjects are there, and according to the rule, now we have to interchange their place. So Sohan will come in Rohan's place and Rohan will go to Sohan's place. Now Sohan is, now one of the degrees will be in negative. If the first sentence is not in negative, then you have to use in the second sentence you have to use the negative word not. So Sohan is not as or so tall as Sohan. See the next example. Rohan is as tall as Sohan. That means both are of same height. So, but no negative word is there. So we have to use here the negative word not. Again, interchanging the place of the nouns or subjects. Sohan is not taller than Rohan. Students, I hope you have understood this. Now, here the common mistake which students do is, if I remove the name Rohan and Sohan and I write there, he is taller than, you will write me, but it's wrong. You have to use two subjects, and me is not a subjective form, it is an objective form. So you have to write Rohan is taller than I within bracket am. So when you will interchange, instead of he, you will write I am not as or so tall as he, not him, he. Understood, students? So you have to be very careful. When names are there, you will not make mistakes. But when pronouns are there, especially he, she, I, with these words, you will definitely make mistakes. So please be very careful and note down whatever I am saying. Now keywords, some easy things I am giving you. Keywords, what you have to remember, already I have given you the structure. But keywords for comparative, ER, like tall, taller. You know the forms, you have to remember. Then than is very compulsory for comparative degrees. Then in positive, adjective will be in its simple form, means the base form. Not, here I have written not, but not can be in either of these two sentences. If not is in positive degree, so you have to remove not from the comparative degree. If not is in comparative degree, then you have to remove from the positive degree. One of these degrees will consist not, then as. These are the simple words. Next I will come to type 2. Here in type 2, when comparison is made between, among more than two subjects, people, things, persons, things, or places. So here in type 2 we will find the 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. In this type 2, when in the superlative form the object or thing is compared to all other things in the same class. Now here you will see these rules you have to write, these structures you have to write. Positive, no other. In positive degree in type 2, it begins with no other. But in comparative and superlative, it begins with subject, means with the same word. First I will show you this example. Raj is the tallest boy in the class. Now tallest you have got it, it is in superlative form, and so see the comparative form. Raj in superlative also, Raj in comparative also. So Raj is taller than any other boy in the class. Then see in positive, it is not beginning with Raj. We have to use no other boy in the class is as tall as Raj. Now we are comparing Raj with other boys in the class, so it is in type 2. What are the key words? You can see in superlative, the, obviously it's very important. Without it, it's wrong. You will marks will be deducted. Then est form. Here I will discuss that somewhere we have to use most or more in superlative. In superlative degree, most, and for comparative, more. Why it is used, I will discuss. But basically, superlative form, the words, the adjectives in superlative form ends with est, like tall, taller, tallest. So taller is comparative form, tallest is the superlative form. Now see the comparative form, er, the word adjective ends with er. Than is very important. Then any other is also important. You can't change all these rules. In positive, it always begins with no other. Then according to the rules, you have to remember the rules. You can see then as. These are some keywords you have to important, that in which type which words are very important. Next I come to type 3. In type 3 also you will see positive degrees begin with very few. It's important. In comparative and superlative we will see subjects. Then rules are different. The structures are different. In comparative, for type 3, subject, verb plus adjective, then than plus many or most. Any one of these words you can use. Many or most other. Then the rest of the words. In superlative, subject, verb plus one of the, then adjective, and here after one of the always the plural form of the noun, one of the rivers, okay, one of the adjective, one of the largest rivers. The subject should be in like the Ganga is one of the largest rivers in India, means very few rivers are as large as the Ganga. So let's see the examples. The Taj is one of the most beautiful hotels. You can see hotels, it is in plural form. That means the Taj is one of the best. That is, there are a few other hotels which are as good, as beautiful as the Taj. Now here you can see very few hotels are. Now here you can't change the verb form, okay. You have to remember that when you are using very few, in positive degree the verb must agree with its subject in number. Like for example, very few hotels are as beautiful as the Taj. You can't write very few hotels is as beautiful as the Taj, and this is a common mistake done by the students. Please students, be very careful. Then see again the keywords. Already I have given you the structures, but again I am giving you keywords so that you can just remember and recall all these points. With superlative, one of the is very important, then est, because superlative form ends with est. In comparative, er, and most or many. Don't use both. Either you use most or you use many other. Most other or many other. With positive, it always begins with very few. Then as. Okay? Students, I told you that some of the adjectives take more or most words. So when the adjective word has two or more than two syllables, the word most in the superlative and the word more in the comparative is used before the adjective. For example, beautiful. Now the word beautiful has three syllables. You can see here. Beau, then T, full. So three syllables. So what is a syllable? You should know. Most students don't understand the term syllable. It is the number of times you twist your tongue to say a word. Students understood? It is the number of times you twist your tongue to say a word. So students, I hope you have understood degrees of comparison. Please go through it, and I will send you some of the examples or some of the questions to solve in my next video. Thank you.